Content. Introduction. Article 14 is the right to equality. Article 15 prohibition of discrimination. Article 16 equality of opportunity in public employment. Article 17 ab- abolition of untouchability. Article 18 abolition of titles. Article 19 right to freedom. And conclusion. Introduction. Welcome to the presentation on fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution. Today we will discussing about the significance and Article of 14 to 19 and their role in ensuring that a just equality equitable society. Fundamental rights are the basic rights that every citizen is entitled to regardless of their background or social status. These rights form the fundamental foundation of our democracy and are in democracy in the Indian Constitution. Article 14 to 19 specifically deals with the right to equality, prohibition of discrimination, equality of opportunity in public employment, abolition of untouchability, abolition of titles, and right to freedom. This article ensures that every citizen has equal to opportunity and protection under the law. Let us know about the Article 14, that is, right to equality. The right to equality as ensured in the Article 14 of Indian Constitution is very fundamental right that ensure fairness and justice in society. It guarantees that the every citizen is equal before the law and prohibition discrimination on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex or birth, sex of, or birthplace of birth. This right is essential in upholding the principle of democracy and ensuring the individuals are given equal opportunities for in for instance it ensures that everyone has access to education, employment, and the other public services without any discrimination. The right to equality also plays a circular role in promoting social harmony and eliminating preju- eliminating prejudice prejudices based on caste, gender, or religion. Let us move ahead to the Article 15, Prohibition of Discrimination. The Article 15 of the Indian Constitution is the crucial right that ensures that discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, race, sex, or prohibited. Birthplace is prohibited. This article guarantees every citizen of the India the right to equality before the law and equal protection of the law without any discrimination. The significance of Article 15 can be seen in the several landmark cases where it has been upheld by the Indian legal system. For example, in case of Sovereign Indian Sovereign v Union of Indian, the Supreme Court upheld constitutional validity of reservation for socially and educationally backward classes under the Article 15 of 4 and Article 16 of 4. This ensured that uh, affirmative action was taken to address historical injustice and promoting social equality. Let us move ahead for the Article 16. Equality to opportunity in public. The Article 16 of Indian Constitution enshrines, enshrines the right to equality of opportunity in public environment. This means that the every citizen has the right to be considered for job in the public sector solely based on their merit and qualification without any discrimination based on their caste, religion, gender, or birthplace. The right crucial and in ensuring fair and impartial recruitment process, and it helps to prevent nepotism, and corruption in the public sector. It has promoted diversity and inclusivity in the workspace, which can help lead to better decision making and more innovation solutions to the two problem. Let us move ahead for the Article 17, abolition of untouchability. Article 17 of Indian Constitution is a significant provision that abolished the practice of untouchability in India. This right ensures that no citizen can be discriminated against on the ground of caste or social status. The participation of untouchability has been pre- prevalent in the Indian centuries, and it has resulted in the exclusion and marginalization of certain communities. However, the legal system has taken several steps to uphold this right and ensure that those who violate in it are brought to justice. For example, in 2019, a court in Uttar Pradesh convinced, convicted for 5 people for forcing a Dalit family to eat human excrete. This landmark judgment sent a strong message that that such acts of discrimination which will not able to tolerated in India. Article 18, abolition of title. Article 18 of Indian Constitution ensures the right to abolition of titles. This means that no citizen can be granted any title by the state, which includes title like sir, dame, etc. The idea behind this right is to ensure that all citizens are treated equally and there is no hierarchy based on titles or honorifics. The importance of this right lies in the fact that it promotes sense of equality among all citizens irrespective to their social status or background. It also ensures that the government cannot use title as means to confer privileges on certain individuals or groups. This right has been upheld in the several cases where government has attempted to grant title to individuals or organizations. Let us know about the last topic or last article for today's topic. That is Article 19, right to freedom. The right to freedom as ensured in the Article 19 of Indian Constitution is the fundamental right that guarantees citizens the freedom of speech and expressions, assembly, association, movement, or occupation. This right is essential in the ensuring that individuals have the ability to express themselves freely and engage in the activities that are important to them without fear or pers- persecution. For example, this right has been instrumental in enabling citizens to voice their opinion on social and political issues. Organization peacefully protest and demonstration and per- conclusion. In conclusion, the fundamental rights ensured in the Indian Constitution play a crucial role in enrolling a just and equitable society. These rights are not mere words on paper, but have been upheld and fought by citizens and activists alike. As we have seen, Articles 14 to 19 guarantee important rights such as equality, prohibition of discrimination, freedom of speech and expression, and abolition of the untouchability and titles. It is our duty as responsible citizens to value and uphold these rights in our daily lives. We must also recognize that the figure for these rights in an ongoing one. There are still instances where these rights are violated, and it is up to us to speak out against such injustice and work toward a more equality and justi- and just society.